Okay, hi guys, this is Universal Force here. So, today I'm doing my first ever unboxing. This is the Galaxy Megaminx X-Man design, I mean. I got the flat version because I have stickers that's been sitting here since Keep for Cambodia, so around a month too. And I do have a Megaminx. It's the YJ Yoo-hoo, but it sucks. I was thinking about restickering it with these, but these were quite expensive and I didn't want to resticker a crap Megaminx. So yeah. So let's get into it. Whoopee. I wanted one. So here it is, and oh wow, it's a little greasy. You can see it on there. So let's do first turns. Stickers are nice actually. If I didn't have stickers, I wouldn't go and buy them because they're pretty nice. Anyway, so first turn. I'm pretty sure it's really tight because it's quite bumpy and rough. Wow, it makes a lot of noise, and its corner cutting isn't as good as I've seen it to be. It takes a lot of force. At least it's not locking out like the Yoo-hoo did. I'm gonna set this out. Oh, memory cube now. So this is tons of stickers on it. It's been signed by Felix and everything. So I'm going to take this off. Okay, I probably got it off. There we go. So an X-Man design logo. I have... Anyway, so it's first impressions. It's not as good as I thought it would be, but it's definitely better than the Yoo-hoo, because the Yoo-hoo sucks so badly. But I'm wanting to resticker it. I'm not sure if it'll fit. So there. Stickers look like they're gonna be a little small, so like it's gonna show a lot of plastic like the Yoo-hoo, but at least it's nice and flat. The reverse corner cutting is a little, average, and it takes lots of force. But anyway, so oh gosh, that's it for this unboxing. So I am terrible at Megaminx, okay? I average around 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah, so I'll see you all next time. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!